Welcome back to Midwest Access. Oh, we are in another episode of Tooth Talk with Dr. Katie Post here.
Thank you.
Thank you, from Northwest Dental Group.
Yes.
And this is really, really, really exciting. I've never heard of this before. Free Dental Day.
Yes.
What does that mean?
So we have it at 2 locations, at our Superior Drive location across from Costco.
Okay.
And at our 37th Street location, the old Ace Hardware.
Wow.
Across from Wells Fargo. And on September, Friday the 13th.
I love this.
Yes.
You're turning it around. It's not a bad luck day, it's a good luck day.
It's a good luck day. And so from 8 to 1, and it's first come, first serve, and it's cleaning, it's x-rays, exams, extractions, fillings, and we're just there to take care of you. And it doesn't matter if you're 1 or 100, come on in, and it's our way to give back to Rochester for supporting us for the last 60 years.
Oh my gosh,
Yes.
and just, that's really, really, really incredible.
Oh, it's emotional, and
I bet.
Yeah, and we have everything from, you know, we found some lesions that we had to coordinate with Mayo to get taken care of for them, up to like people just in tears that have been living out of their car and couldn't get a job because they're missing their front tooth. You know, like, how can we help them and fix them? And this is a way that we don't have to judge. It doesn't matter if they're rich or poor. It's a way for us to give back.
That's amazing. You know, you think of all the things that your oral health effects, and you know, we talk about the obvious ones. I mean, your physical health and eating, but thinking of something like that where that's affecting you getting a job.
Oh yeah.
Because of what your teeth look like, because the smile is really important.
Really, really important.
Yeah.
And you know, most insurances max out, and there's families that have 5, 6, 10 kids. Can you imagine paying for cleanings for 10 kids?
No.
And so that's a really good way for us to help those families as well.
Cool.
And so just, it's our way to give back.
That's really, really neat. I mean, you know, you think, okay, it's a day, but it's so much, and I've really never heard of anybody doing such a thing, so that's pretty
I will tell you, our team loves it. They make special t-shirts every year.
Oh, cool.
And they have like a committee that gets together, and we have music playing.
Oh, so it's like a party day too.
It's a party day, and all the doctors, sometimes we have doctors from other offices that join us and help out too, and it's a great way for us to all hands on deck, and for us to share new techniques or equipment, and we just have a lot of fun with it, and we have a great time.
I love that too. Something else that I see as we talk is that you're really about, we're not competition, we're together.
We're family.
We're family, and I love that. And I think that there's room for all of us at the top, you know, and there's plenty of room for us all to be successful, and you portray that all the time.
Thank you.
So,
I appreciate that. Thank you.
It's very cool.
Thank you. And this year, we're changing it up. We've always done it at our Superior Drive location. But last year, it was raining, and it was hard to get everybody inside as quickly as we wanted. So this year we've decided to open 2 locations and expand so we can help even that many more people to our family.
Cool. So how do you sign up? How do you?
It's a first come, first serve.
Okay.
And
so
you know,
get in line.
Honestly, for the last maybe 5, 6 years, we've had people there at 2 o'clock once Rooster's closed.
I'm sure. I love it.
Which is super fun. So there's always a line of people having a party before we get there.
That's fantastic.
Yes. And then it's just a first come, first serve. But in those locations, we're able to get people in very quickly.
Oh, that is great. So you guys are just all ready to go. And so, I mean, if that's something that, you know, speaking to you, you're like, yes, this would help me out tremendously. Something that you can tell other people about. You know, I think of other organizations that are helping people that are experiencing homelessness. This is something you want to get on your calendar too, so that you can connect.
Yes.
You know, that's what we're all about. What you're all about is connecting people to those resources that they need. So thank you for providing that.
Yes.
Incredible. You also have another location in Byron, not for this event, but just for normal.
Yeah, so, and that is where ortho is on Friday.
Okay.
And so shout out to Dr. Praska and my braces. And so they will be working with all of those kids on braces all day. So they won't be a part of the free dental day.
Yep.
And but the other 2 locations will be busy.
They will be so busy, and we are going to have you back because we want to talk about the ortho and especially that location in Byron. So we will see Dr. Katie again in a couple of weeks to talk about that. Make sure you always check on our Facebook. You can just look at that Tooth Talk icon with her beautiful face. Click on those, and you can see every episode that we've had, all the different topics, so you can get your information there and get your appointments set. All right, we'll be right back with more from Midwest Access.